So in my last video, I showed you how to make a WordPress post using the new editor. Now I'm going to show you what I prefer, which is the WordPress Classic editor. So in order to use that, we need to install a plugin. So let's go down here in our dashboard to Plugins and then Add New. And well, I've already found it here, but you would just search for Classic Editor. This comes up, so click on Install Now. And we'll activate it. And now I'm going to go over here to Posts. And we're going to edit the post that we looked at in the other video. And notice how much different it looks. The title field up here. Here is your word style editor with all of your goodies up here. Bold, italics, bullets, and so forth. Center, left and right justify, add a link. So let's play with some of those. Let's add some bold, add some italics. Let's make a bulleted list. We'll click on this. And because I had the blank lines, it did that. So we'll just get rid of the blank lines. See, it already looks better than the other one, right? The other editor. Let's stick a link in here. And then we're going to update the post over here. And so let's preview it and see what it looks like. So you can see the changes I just made to it. Let's go back in and edit it some more. So over here I have it scheduled to appear tomorrow. Here's where I can edit the schedule. I can put in whatever date I want down here. I'm going to push it off a month. Now, scheduling is handy when you work on several blog posts and you don't want them to all appear right away, so you want to schedule them out over the coming week or 2 weeks or whatever. It's really handy for that. Categories. Now, you're going to want to put things in a blog in categories. WordPress comes with one default category called uncategorized. Ideally, you don't want anything in there, so let's add a new category. And I'm just going to call it affiliate marketing. And we'll take it out of uncategorized, and then, like I said, try to not have anything in uncategorized if you can help it. Tags. Tags are little pieces of data to help you classify a WordPress post. They're kind of like a category, but on a smaller scale. So they're keywords in your post and things like that. So let's just make up one. Affiliate offers. Now generally you don't want your tag to be the same as a category, so I'm not going to put affiliate marketing in as a tag, but let's pull another one out here. I mentioned blog, so let's throw that in there as well. Your featured image. This is just an image that, depending on your theme, may or may not be displayed in the post. So we're going to pick one here. So I'm just going to choose this image that it was a thumbnail for an earlier video. Just to show you how to do featured image. And let's go ahead and update it and preview it. And see, now this theme shows the featured image above the title. Some of them show it below the title. Some of them don't show it at all. Don't confuse a featured image with an image that's embedded inside the post. Let me go show you how to do that. So let's turn this toolbar toggle on to give us more options. You can just see how many more options you have with that. Now to add our image, we're going to click on Add Media. And we'll just pick that same one again, just don't get these too confused. That's how you put it inside the post. And now we'll preview it. Now normally you wouldn't want to use the same image twice like that in the same post. I'm just showing you how to stick one in there. Now the more tag is handy when you have a long post and you only want to show part of it on a preview page like the home page of the blog. So what we do here is just click on more. You won't really see the effect here, but on a home page or category page, with that enabled, it will only show that first line, and then it will give a button or a link to read the full post. All right, let's change some text color here. Select the text and choose the color down here. And then if I decide I didn't like something I did, I want to undo it. Undid that orange. Undid the more tag. Undid that. So I'm going to go ahead and update it. And we'll preview it again. So that's a quick tour of how to use your WordPress Classic Editor.